Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working problem on Android. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. First, turn on your airplane mode and turn off. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Tap on reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Reset your mobile network. Tap on reset setting. Then you can tap on reset option. Complete your reset mobile network. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on SIM card and mobile network, tap on mobile data or SIM card, switch your network mode, tap on preferred network type, change your network mode, put your SIM in another phone to check if mobile data work or not. You can follow all of the steps to fix mobile data not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.